Hello car specialists and technicians. Today I'll give you my tips and explanations why you have to avoid Peugeot, Citroen or Renault cars equipped with automatic gearbox AL4 or DP0. The gearbox is the same, just in Renault is called DP0 and in Peugeot and Citroen cars AL4. Let me tell you the story of this fancy looking Peugeot 307cc and how we finally managed to avoid the most terrible gearbox in the world. Okay, this car was showing only 7,000 kilometers on the clock when the problems with the gearbox began. We changed the hydraulic distributor with valves and all was fine. 30,000 kilometers later, same problem and even worse. Then we changed the whole gearbox with the turbine, brand new. Now, 80,000 kilometers after that, gearbox is totally damaged. Oil level was fine and still the gearbox fails again. Another workshop technician asked €1,500 for the repair, and warranty after that was just 1,000 kilometers, so we decided something else. We just throw away this piece of crap AL4 and we put manual gearbox from the scrap yard. We had to change the gearbox, flywheel with new clutch, pressure plate and bearing, drive shafts, pedal assembly, gear lever with cables, water pipe from the water pump to cylinder head, because the original one have another water exit that blocks the gear cables. We put rubber plug to close the radiator input for the gearbox heat exchanger. Also, we install upper and lower clutch pumps with the pipe because clutch is hydraulically driven. Another difficult task was to supply upper pump with .4 brake fluid. We use this petrol plastic pipe for that. And the most difficult problem, how to make the car to start. I have more than 7 years experience in Peugeot workshop and I thought that if I make new configuration in BSI computer and in the engine ECU for manual gearbox, car will start. Unfortunately, that was not the case. After a few hours searching for the proper wiring diagram, I found that the secret is this small relay hidden next to the engine ECU. It's called starter inhibition relay that is used for automatic gearboxes only. Operation is very simple. Just remove the relay and make bridge connection between the thicker wire terminals. Believe it or not, there were more and more problems. For example, reverse gear light and Parktronic stopped working. To fix them, we had to find the exact pins from the automatic gearbox connector and connect to them 2 pins terminal for manual gearbox reverse light switch. The chain is as follows. Connector A, pin 1, goes to the one of the pins of the reverse gear switch, and from other terminal of the switch, wire goes to the same A connector pin 2. This way reverse light works and also Parktronic. And the last problem, configuration. Because of the missing automatic gearbox, all dash lights were on, ESP, airbag, check engine. I tried to disconnect automatic gearbox computer and to configure BSI, ECU and ESP to manual gearbox. Another bad luck was that engine ECU was not possible to configure to manual gearbox, so we improvise and we connect back the automatic gearbox computer to his place. And we configure BSI or body system interface to manual gearbox, ESP to automatic gearbox, and just leave the engine ECU as it is. Finally, all works fine and the owner have fun with real and reliable gearbox. If you plan some modifications like this one, my video might help you. I hope you like this tip of the week, friends. If you want more, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and I'll see you in the next episode.